Good morning to us. Welcome guys. I am Manish Mittal on behalf of SURAJ School. Today I teach you topic trade discount and cash discount. Dear students, it is very important topic. All the entries of discount related to the trade discount and cash discount. First of all, discount. Discount are two types. First is your trade discount. Second, cash discount. First is your trade discount. Second, cash discount. Trade discount. Discount is allowed by wholesaler or manufacturer to the retailer at a fixed percent on the list price of the goods. Discount is given by the wholesaler or manufacturer. Manufacturer or wholesaler given the discount to the retailer. To whom given the discount? Retailer at a fixed percent on the list price. List means written on the goods. If wholesaler or manufacturer charge then less than the return of the goods, that is the trade discount. This discount is allowed to the customer for making early and promote payment. Cash discount is allowed to the customer. A seller allowed to the customer for making early and promote payment so that he can make quickly payment to the seller. Again I repeat, the discount is allowed by the wholesaler or manufacturer to the retailer at a fixed percent on the list price of the goods. That discount which is allowed by the wholesaler or manufacturer to the retailer at a fixed percentage on the list price of the goods. If a wholesaler or manufacturer charge less from the retailer, charge less than the list price of goods, that is the trade discount. If a seller allowed to the customer, this discount allowed by the seller to the customer for making early and promote payment so that he make early and quickly payment. It is allowed when the goods purchased on the specified quantity. That trade discount is allowed by the seller on the specified quantity. The quantity which is given by the seller. If buyer purchase that quantity, that will be allowed by the seller. It purchase when the payment is made on or before the specified date. Cash discount is given when payment is made before the specified date or before on date or specified date or before the specified date. That will then cash discount will be given. It is not recorded separately in the books of account. It never records separately in the books of account. It does not show in the books. Only less from the list price and entry will be passed. And it recorded separately in the books of account. Cash discount is recorded separately in the books of account. Now, cash discount, it means it is shown in the books of account. It never shown in the, it's shown in the books of account. Cash discount again divided in two categories. First is the discount allowed. Second is the discount received. First of all, dear student, I told you even discount allowed and discount received. Both are the nominal account. The nominal account rule, debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain. Discount allowed, it is given to the customer. Discount allowed given to the customer when a seller charge less than the due amount. When a seller charge less than the due amount from the customer, that is the discount allowed. It means he charge less amount. It is an expense for the seller, and expense and discount allowed is the debit. Again I repeat, discount allowed and received both are the nominal account. And the nominal account rule, debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain. Discount allowed, it given to the customer means a seller charge less than the due amount from the customer, that is the discount allowed. If we charge less, it is an expense for the seller and it will be the expense, then expense will be debit. it received from the supplier. Discount received from the supplier. If a business pay less than the due amount to the supplier, if a businessman paid less than the due amount to the supplier, less payment, it is an income for the business, and if income, then it will be credit. It always debit in the books of account, it always credit in the book of account. Very simple. You can use these things in the entry. Allowed or received, both are comes with the cash and bank in the entry. Along with cash and bank, if cash debit, then discount will also be debit. If cash debit, then discount will be debit, and debit discount allowed. If cash credit, then discount will be credit. In credit, discount received. If cash debit, discount debit, debit discount allowed. If cash credit, then discount will be credit, credit discount received. Now I will discuss with some specified practical problems. Format, date, particular, ledger folio, amount, rupees debit, amount, rupees credit. Yes, dear students, first sold goods to Gopal. First problems, sold goods to Gopal of list price rupees 1 lakh at 10% trade discount. Second, purchase goods from Ravi list price rupees 50,000 at 15% trade discount. Sold goods to Gopal. Along with what sold goods, along with goods sold, then entry will be sales and Gopal. Sales and Gopal. Trade discount. I told you trade discount never shown in the books of account. It is only less from the list price. Then your calculation will be 10 lakh, 10% of 10 lakh. It is 10,000. Then it will be less from that 1 lakh. Then your entry will be passed from the 90,000. Then your entry will be passed only through the 90,000. Never from the 1 lakh. It is passed from the 90,000. Your entry will be what case? Sales nominal, per Gopal personal. Nominal account rule. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Sale nominal income then credit. Gopal person, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Gopal receiver then debit. Gopal debit to sales account. Debit Gopal debit to sales account. Narration. Sold goods to Gopal. List price 1 lakh at 10% trade discount. Next is purchase goods from Ravi, list price 50,000 at 15% trade discount. Purchase goods from Ravi. Your entry will be past purchase and Ravi. Amount 50,000 15%. That is 7,500 less from 50,000. Your entry will be passed from the 42,500. 42,500. Purchase nominal, Ravi personal nominal. Debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain. Purchase expense, then purchase will be debit. Purchase is account debit. Ravi personal, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Ravi giver, giver then credit. 42,500. 42,500. Purchase goods. ₹4 from Ravi. ₹4 50,000 at 15% trade discount. Next, care discount. First one, paid cash to Mahesh, discount received from him. Paid cash to Mahesh. To Mahesh 9,600. Discount received from him. ₹400. Paid cash to Mahesh. Your entry will be passed from the cash Mahesh and discount received from him. Then discount received. Discount received. Cash paid 9,600. Discount received 400. Then Mahesh will be giver for the 10,000. Mahesh will be cash paid 10,000 9,600. Discount received less payment than the due amount. Then due amount is 10,000. Cash real. Mahesh personal. Personal. Discount nominal. Real account to debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash paid, then cash will be credit. Cash paid, then I told you along with cash and bank discount will come. If cash paid, then discount will be also credit. Even you can also see from it discount received income. Debit all expense and losses, credit all income and gain. Income credit. You can also use cash credit and discount also credit. Mahesh personal paid to Mahesh, Mahesh personal debit the receiver, credit the giver. Mahesh receiver, receiver and debit. Your entry will be Mahesh debit 10,000 to cash account 9,600 to discount received account. $400. Narration. For cash received and discount allowed. Cash paid and discount received. Received from Mahesh. Mahesh. Next one is received cash from Arun. Received cash from Arun rupees 4,900 and discount allowed to him 100. Received cash from Arun. Your entry will be passed from the cash Arun and discount allowed. Cash received from Arun. Cash 4,900. Discount 100. Arun 5,000. Arun 5,000. Arun give for 5,000. Cash real. Arun personal. Discount nominal. Real account will debit. What comes in, credit what goes out. Cash comes in. Received means cash comes in. Comes in then debit. Cash debit then discount also debit. Discount allowed nominal. Debit will expense and losses. Credit will income and gain. Discount allowed expense. Expense and debit. Discount allowed debit. Arun personal. Personal debit the receiver. Credit the giver. Cash received from Arun. Then Arun will be giver. So entry will be cash account debit 4,900. Discount allowed account debit 100 to Arun 5,000. For cash received from Arun and discount allowed to him. Allowed to him. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.